Say hello. Say hello.
Apple.
Good. Okay. Can you say apple?
Apple.
Good. You seem to like to say apple. Apple? Is that your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? Is it apple? Apple. Apple. How about bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Good boy. You like to say bye-bye? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give me a kiss. Good boy. Oh, he's such a good boy. Oh, he is such a good boy. Are you a good boy? You're a good boy? Oh, he's so cute. Oh. Kiss me. Oh, such a good boy. Such a good boy. Are you a good boy? It's time to say bye-bye. Come on, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good boy.
Say hey. Hey. What's your name? What is your name? Say burr burr.
Hey.
No. Say hey.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. Hey. Say burr burr. What's your name?
Bye-bye.
Yes, that's your name. What's your name again?
Hey.
No, it's not hey. What's your name? What's your name? What is it? What's your name? Don't bite. No. That is mean. That is mean. Say, that's your name? That's you? Okay.
Can you say hello?
Hello.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, Corbell does a pretty cool sound. She can make the sound of a car alarm. Can you do that?
Oh,
Good girl, Corbell. All right, you. Are we having fun? Can you say your name?
Corbell.
Thank you. And let's do a rooster. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. How about a cat? How about a dog? Can you howl?
oh
Good
my
girl. Wow. Well, you're really showing off.
goodness. Boy.
Corbell. Wow, Corbell. All right, Corbell, can you do some coughing? And it's supposed to be a sore throat.
Oh.
Now, what do you say? Good girls. What's a dog do? And can you call the dog? Call the dog. Call the dog. Call the dog. Call the dog. Good girls. Now, kiss. 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 Good girls.
Hello. Hi. Okay. Hi. Hi. Hello. Okay. Hello. Hi. 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 Hello. Hi.
Oh, my darling.
Oh my darling, clever boy, she's my darling, clever. Oh my darling, clever boy.
Good boy.
Peekaboo. No, peekaboo. No! No, I'm not playing peekaboo. No, peekaboo. Nope, it's time to go night-night. No. I bet they will. Tell them. Okay, fine. Peekaboo. No.